Hey guys, today we have another item we found at the 127 sale. This 8-track stereo system. It's 4-channel. Pretty cool. It's going to need a little bit of service too. Let me show you some little issues it's got going on. Needs a little bit of contact cleaner in the knob, as you can tell. And the 8-track does work on this, but probably needs some cleaning and replace the belt too. As you can tell, the sound ain't very strong, so it probably needs the heads cleaned or adjusted, or both. And the belt probably needs to be changed. The biggest problem is these volume controls in this here for your radio.
It's 11/20/22
So,
is a very special.
Let's get this thing straightened out. And I already tested the turntable, and it does play and stuff, but it's gonna need to be greased and lubricated and cleaned too. So let me get the screws out of this and try to get some lubrication in these knobs. Okay, to get the top off this unit, if you can see it, okay, you got to take the screws off the bottom and the top raises up. Then you unplug your turntable from the board and your two RCA jacks, as you can see there. Alright, here's the control panel for your volume and stuff. So, I'm going to use some aux. Try to see if we can get these to act better. I can't get into the other ones, but we'll see if that helped those. Okay guys, here's the seclusion of the Panasonic 4-channel stereo. We got it all cleaned up. All the knobs are working a lot better. The 8-track's working pretty good. Sounds pretty good. The turntable, I took it apart and re-greased everything in the turntable. And pretty cool. And here's the tuner. So we'll get over to it. It all works pretty good. It's got a few little blemishes, not too many. But I hope you sure like this video. Please subscribe and have a nice day.